Hi, this is Shivansh, serving as legal law intern at LEXIS and Company. Today we'll discuss the binding force of treaties. In the form of Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties 1969, the International Law Commission of the United Nations adopted the Vienna Convention on the Law of Treaties, which was adopted on May 23, 1969, entering into force on January 27, 1980. It is an international agreement between the states to govern and regulate treaties. The treaty is limited to and encompasses written treaties only, divided into many parts. The first part sets out the object, terms, and scope of the agreement, and the second part lays down the rules for adoption, ratification, the conclusion of the treaties. The third part deals with the interpretation of treaties. The fourth part talks about the modification of treaties, and lastly, the fifth part delves into withdrawal, suspension, termination, and invalidation of the treaty. It also includes a necessary clause which gives the International Court of Justice jurisdiction over any possible disputes. The final part discusses the rules of ratification and effects on treaties due to the change in government. The document has not been ratified by US, however, it follows its provision usually. And even India does not ratify it, but it follows its provision usually. Till 1979, all 35 member states of the UN had ratified the treaty. As per the Latin maxim, Pax sunt servanda, or as mentioned in Article 26 of the Convention, all treaties are binding on its signatories and shall be followed bona fide. The binding nature of which this treaty serves to all other treaties is the reason why US isn't a part of it, and even India isn't a part of it. There exists a tussle between Congress and the executive branch over who has the authority to validate a withdrawal from treaties on behalf of a country. Since treaties are binding, there is too much of stake between two organs of the US and the Indian government. Thank you, and if there is any doubt, please mention that in the comment section.